In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using a Facebook group. In this video, we are going step by step to show you how you can make money on the Facebook group. I know you have one Facebook group, but if you have no any Facebook group, you have to create one. For example, in my account here, you'll see I have many Facebook groups. All these are my Facebook group. I like to create many Facebook group because Facebook group is one among source of money to me. Many people come on my group and post their product, and that is how I make money. So in order to make money in these strategies which I'm going to show you, you just create a Facebook group and promote it to make sure many people join your group. For example, this is one among my group. Have many people here. As you see, have many people. But in this group, I make money using in this group by the people, the sponsors, the people who sponsor this group. They come in box and they say, "Hey, I need to post my product on your group." I say, "Don't worry. How much you charge? I charge per month, per week." They pay money, and I'm allow them to post on my group for free in such a period. That is how I make money. So I'm allow them to post their product, to promote their product to my people, and they pay me per month or per week. That is how you can make money using Facebook group. As you see, have many different Facebook group. This is about cooking of the cake. Yes. Another is about this is about finding your mate. Different group. For example, this one this is about pregnancy, but in Swahili language, and there's so many groups. That is how I make money. So I'm going to show you today how to make money using a Facebook group. So if you have a Facebook group, you have to make sure it grow enough to attract the sponsors to start posting the product on your group. If you have no one, you have to create one. On how to create a group, you have to start. If you log into your account, you will land in this homepage, Facebook homepage. You have to click in this on upper right corner. This your picture in the upper right corner here. Click here and you see. To go down and see press written a group. Click the group, and if you have no any group, you'll find nothing here. So as you see on the upper right corner, you see the plus icon. This plus icon means add the group, because you have no any group, so you have to add one. This plus icon, you have to click a plus icon, which means add the group. When you click a plus icon, you will find two options: click create post or create group. You have to click on create groups because we want to create a group. Click create a group. Now put the name and choose a privacy. Privacy is how your group you want to be. You want to make your group private or public, but public is best than private. So you have to choose public and then go ahead. After clicking here, the group will be created automatically. The next step is just putting the photos and the description. The description is very important. I don't like to go ahead because I have many groups. I don't like to add more groups. That's why I'm telling you without creating one. So for example, you create a group about how to make money online. You click here for how to make money. Yes, you click create. On the next step, you are going to invite a friend in your group, and the next step you're going to put pictures for your group. So make sure you put a very attractive picture to attract people to join to your group. So after finishing creating the group, now it's the time to promote it, because you need people to start joining to your group. So now to promote your group, now you have to come back here at the homepage of Facebook homepage here, because your Facebook, for example, you create the group about how to make money online. In order to promote your Facebook group and reach many people which related to your group, you have to search the keyword related to your group. For example, your group is about to make money. You have to come here. Don't click the plus icon. When you click the plus icon on the homepage, it means that you add a post. So we are going to click a search icon. Search icon. That means you are going to search the group related to your group so that you can join that group and promote your group to the people. I hope you understand. For example, your group is about how to make money online. You write, for example, you can write make money online. Don't write make money online group, no. Write the key only keyword. How to make money online. And the search. When you search, you will find many information, but you have to filter. When you see up here, there is a filter, video page or what, you have to filter for the group so that only group should be shown here. So you can see many group related to make money online, and your group is about to make money online. So you have to join all this group and start promoting your group within this group. But you can by providing some values, yes. So you have to visit and join. Visit and join. After joining many group, now start posting from one group to another. Like, for example, you can tell the people that I have many ways to. You can say, I have making money for a long time. Now I can teach you. To learn more, make sure you join in my group and put your affiliate link down there. For example, yes. For example, you can join this how to make money online. And ask the question, do you want to make money online? You join my group to learn more. And here put your affiliate link. Not affiliate link. Make sure you put your group links. Your group which you created. Make sure you copy the link and paste here. By doing so, the people in a different group will see your question and the link. Do you want to make money online? So many people need to make money online. Join my group. So many people join your group, and that is how your group will grow rapidly. After reaching some point, for example, after reaching 50K, 15K, or 10K, people in your group, you can start to approach the sponsors. You can start to approach the sponsors. The sponsors are people who promote the product that are related to your group. For example, my group is about. Pregnancy. Let me show you how I do to find the sponsors. For example, my group is about pregnancy. For example, yes, this one. Yes, for example, this one is about pregnancy. So I find the people who sell the pregnancy related product. Yes, pregnancy related product. I come here on the homepage and I search in Swahili that is called infertility. No, that is I'm writing the post. Not writing the post. I want to search. I'm confused. Just search. This is Swahili name, which means infertility cure. Infertility cure. So you can filter by post so that to find the people who have. For example, we find here there is people who selling the product. For example, here someone is promoting the product to get pregnant. Yeah, for example, this one and the other, yes, like this one, he promoting his product which is related to infertility cure. So you can contact him by clicking his profile, and message him by clicking message. That hey, I see you promoted the product related to pregnancy. Now I can help you to promote your product because I have a group related to your product. in a cheaper price, I can help you to promote. Now contact me if you are already or you're in. By sending this message to many people, most of them will start to contact you back, and that is how you can get a sponsor and make money. If you are new here in this channel, consider to subscribe so that to receive a many tips related to make money online. Thank you and welcome.